Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for this video, I will be showing you how to have more protection using your cloth mask. So as you can see, this is a cloth mask. It is actually a neoprene mask which has two layers on it with different colors and with a pocket filter which you can put any, let's say, tissues or your own filter or even surgical mask filter. That's what we will do today. So taking out a surgical mask which I bought from Chemist Warehouse, as you can see, if I bend the metal for the nose, it doesn't really stay still. It doesn't really have the grip. So what you do is take out the elastic that goes around your ear, like so, and then make sure you place the blue side towards the inner part of the filtered pocket, like so, and making sure it is facing the outside, like how you would wear a normal surgical mask. So just put it inside the pocket, make sure you spread it from bottom to the top, also pulling it just like that, just as you would wear a normal surgical mask. It's basically the same thing, but it's just using another layer of protection, which is the cloth mask in this instance. Also make sure you squeeze it in, you pull, you spread, you do whatever it takes to cover the whole part of the cloth mask so you have more protection. So in this video, here is how it looks like inside the filtered pocket. See, as you can see, it's not really spread properly, so what you do is just fix it like so, and voila, it's good to go. Hi guys, so this is me wearing my mask going outside because because here in Victoria it's mandatory that we wear a mask everywhere. So we're now just going for a Woolies run and just doing some exercise.